Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This video is Teppanyaki Fine Dining in Tokyo 1, based on my recent trip to Japan. Japan has the best teppanyaki in the world, and it's very different from the US variety. The US variety is quick and inexpensive, everything is served at once, and the chefs toss knives and catch eggs in their hats. Japanese teppanyaki is slow, refined, and elegant, with only the best ingredients cooked and served one at a time over a couple of hours, with no chef antics. I hope you enjoy the stills and videos of this great teppanyaki dinner I had in Tokyo, and I hope you get a sense of its elegance. So let's start dining.